Hi, I'm Tasman and today I'm going to show you just how easy it is to make a Maskne Serum using the Create Cosmetic Formulas program. First log in and select the Skin and Hair Care program, and then pick the gel-like water-based serum, and then click Create. First I'm going to select my actives, and I'm going to select the Bisabolo as it's great anti-irritant. And I'm going to select the hyaluronic acid powder as it's a great hydrating active. For my added extras, I'm going to select the calendula extract as it is soothing for the skin. For my humectant, I'm going to select the propane diol. And for my gum, I'm going to select xanthan gum. For my lipids, I'm going to select the Dermafil Sensolve as it is a lightweight, dry feeling lipid. And I'm also going to select Rosehip as it is great to acne prone skin. For my essential oil, I'm going to select the Roman Chamomile essential oil. Next is my antioxidant. And I'm going to select the mixed tocopherols. And lastly is my preservative, and I'm going to go with the GeoGuard ECT. Then select Generate Method. And there you have a full formulary method, and now it's time to get into the lab. And that's how easy it is to make a Maskne Serum using the Create Cosmetic Formulas program. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up, leave any questions in the comments below, and make sure you subscribe to createcosmeticformulas.com so you can get making your own serum. Happy formulating!